ja som una tarda més amb les nostres activitats diàries de Joventut Mollet per tots els joves de la ciutat que vulguin participar de forma gratuïta, tan sols hi ha que connectar-se amb nosaltres als nostres directes de joventut a Instagram i participar d'una manera gratuïta i divertida. Avui tenim a la Judit, que farà el taller d'anglès amb uns quants de jocs fàcils, no? Per aprendre una miqueta, sigui la pràctica oral, no? I també dels verbs. I us deixo amb la Judit, que segur que us agradarà molt aquesta estoneta. Una abraçada i fins després.
So, no necessitem la màscara ara, així em veieu millor i podem parlar tots junts. So, hello, I'm going to speak English the whole time because I think that speaking in English is better, so we can at least listen some English. That's the most important thing, I think, in my opinion. So, hello, good afternoon, I'm Judith, as Eric said, yeah, and I'm going to do some speaking activities this afternoon. So, let's see if some of you just want to participate or say something, yeah? So, the first thing that we are going to do is to start learning how to introduce ourselves, because it is important to learn. I'm going to put it here. I think it may be better, so you'll be able to see a little bit. So, some things that we can say when speaking with someone that we just meet, yeah? So we're gonna start with something like, hello, yeah, hello, how are you? What's your name? Yeah. And just after that, we can add some hobbies or some type of activities that we like to do. So if you want to participate, you can just put your name and something that you like. For example, I can say, my name is Judith and I like drawing. So my favorite hobby will be drawing. So I'll write it down, my name is Judith and I like, I don't know, I like drawing. So I would say that drawing is one of my skills, so it's one of the things that I like to do and like I know how to do. Okay, what else can we say when meeting new people? So for example, we can say, where are we from? No? So for example, I'm from Spain, or I'm from Barcelona, I'm from Mollet, yeah? Anything, we can say anything when speaking about introducing ourselves. Okay. So first, after introducing ourselves, yeah, we're going to do a short game, yeah. So let me check here. In here, as you can see, there are some objects. Yes, there are some objects in here that you can see. So any type of object. So let's try to describe an object and guess which is the object that we are talking about. Yes. For example, if I say, I can see an object that is used to travel from one point to another. Can you guess what type of object I'm talking about? So, yeah. Do you think it is what? Any idea? Any idea about what kind of object can be? An object that travels from one point to another one. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, we are, so we have here connected La Santa Teca, yeah, from Murat. So yeah, they're saying that the Teca wants to study a little English, so it is fine to have her here. Hello. Nice to have you here. And so, do you know what type of object that we are talking about? A car, thank you. Ecliptian, a car, thank you. So, another one that we may not, I don't know, you can try. So, if you type down an object that you want to guess, for example, it is an object that we use every day or almost every day because we like to be connected and we share information through it, and we watch videos, or we do lots of things with it. It's like part of ourselves. What type of object are we talking about? Welcome Santa Teca to the show. Yeah. A mobile. Thank you, Ericaucho. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, very good. What else? There are lots of things here. So, for example, one thing where we can put things inside and we carry it all day till we arrive to, I don't know, to the school, for example. So we put all school books inside, or we just put anything that we want to carry from one place to the other. Any idea about that? Okay, Santa Teca, I know that you're there studying, so can you tell me what kind of object are we talking about here? Okay, maybe you can guess. Objects are difficult sometimes, yeah, so it is complicated, but little by little. The most important thing, as I said before, is to learn a little bit of English, to be able to listen to this English. Okay, yeah, they said it in Catalan, they say mochila, but it is okay, yeah, it is a bag. In English, it is bag. So, very good, it is a bag. Let's see, one last object. We are going to talk about an object that is in these pictures. It is an animal, but it's not a real animal. It's an animal made of plastic that we used to use when playing, for example, in the bathroom. Yeah, when we were little children, we used to play with that type of things. Okay, yeah, back. Thank you that you translated the thing. Yeah. But now we are talking about another object. Okay, a duck. Thank you. It is a duck. Yeah, and it is a plastic duck. One of these that we play with while being on the shower and that type of thing. Okay. So let's learn a little bit of more vocabulary. Something about traveling, because traveling is very important. Not nowadays because we are having a difficult situation, yeah. But we still like to travel, and we still like to see the world, how it goes. So, in order to prepare ourselves to these new possibilities of traveling in the future, so let's just speak about traveling. So when we travel, we can a lot of things may happen. For example, we may not know where some place is. So we can say things like, oh, where is the statue, or where is this museum, or where is any type of thing, yeah? It's not a problem. Or, for example, I don't know, you can ask other people where are they from, so you can get to know them, yeah? This is also quite important. And also, I don't know, there's a lot of things. What kind of things can happen when traveling? Do you know anything? I don't know, any type of situation that may happen when you travel around? No? Anyone here in the chat can write something about what may happen while traveling? I don't know, the plane, do you have your tickets? Where is your passport? Do you have your DNA? There are lots of possibilities, yeah? So in here we can learn some things like, okay, I'm from Spain, I don't speak English. You can say, I don't speak English, or I speak little English. Or I want to go to this museum, or I want to travel to this place, or which is the train that I need to take? There are lots of possible questions that we can have while traveling. Okay? Okay, in here you cannot see really what is in there, but there are lots of films in here. If you can guess any of them, it is fine. But let's try to play one game of films, yeah? So, try to think about one film, any film, and say at least one word related to the film. Yeah, at least one word, any word. Okay. There are some commentaries. Very dynamic session. Okay, thank you. Okay, so any type of film that you can think about. For example, super easy. A film about a girl and an apple. Can you think about a film about a girl and an apple? there can be more hints here. It can be, okay, there are 7 drops, there are lots of Cinderella, almost. There's no apples in Cinderella, but it is quite, it is near. So a girl and an apple. Quite difficult, yeah? Maybe anyone there can say something? I don't know. Okay, no problem. I can say that there were 7 drafts, that there was a special mirror. Okay, Maleficent is a possibility, and they say also Blancanieves, that in English it is Snow White. So very good, both of them are fine. Thank you, very good. Okay, think about another. You can also write it down. So you can write a film that you want the others to guess. So we interact a little bit with the audience, yeah? For example, let's see. A film about a girl, again, oh yeah, I'm about girls, with a very long hair, yeah, very long hair, and that is trapped in a tower. Any idea? With long hair? No? Any idea about what kind of films can have girls with long hair, and she uses the hair to just go up and down the tower? I'm not sure if it is in these sections of films, but yeah, we can guess any film. We don't need to look at in here. If there's no film that we like in this special photo, then we can see whatever we want, yeah. Any type of film, it is fine. Okay, very good, Sylvie, Rapunzel, thank you. So yeah, and we have 2 people who said Rapunzel. So yes, cool. It was Rapunzel. Okay, and the last one about Disney movies. Let's see. There's a movie about a guy. Let's change because we did 2 about girls. So let's do one about a guy. The guy is the main character, and there is a lamp in there. Yeah. So we have a lamp there, and in the lamp there something strange happened inside that lamp. And yeah, can you guess what happened? Yeah, so there is a lamp, there is a genius, okay, Aladdin, thank you, very good. That was fantastic, good. Okay, so let's change a little bit, and we are going to talk about a new kind of situation that we can have while learning English. For example, when we travel, we may be to a restaurant, yeah? Super normal situation, a restaurant. Okay, so in restaurants, there are a lot of possibilities that may happen. For example, you enter to the restaurant and you start saying, oh, hi, oh, hello, wow. And then you ask, and then you'll say something like, I want, for example, a hamburger, I want a hamburger. They'll ask you, for example, what type of hamburger do you want? I want a hamburger with cheese or a hamburger without cheese, because it's possible. If you only want the hamburger, you can say, I want only meat, or I want hamburger with cheese and lettuce and other type of things, yeah, for example. Then you can ask if you can pay, for example, can I pay with cash? Or can I pay with what else can we pay? With cash or with the credit card? Normally we prefer to pay credit cards these days, yeah, coronavirus and everything. But we may want to pay by cash. So it's like, do you accept cash? Do you accept any other type of payment? I don't know. Or Bitum or PayPal or anything, so you can ask that. So something like, can I pay with this? Can I pay? Yeah, card, thank you. So can I pay with this? Can I pay with that? Yeah, with egg, cheese and bacon. Okay, yeah, that's a good hamburger. So yeah, hamburger with egg, cheese, bacon. That's a hamburger that may affect your heart. But yeah, it is a good hamburger for once in a while. Yeah, it is good. Or you can also, I don't know, want to get a pizza. Yeah, pizzas are better. But there's a topic that it's kind of controversial about pizzas. Yeah, so about toppings. Yeah, toppings are the things that we put in the pizza, because there are some people who like pizza with pineapple and pizza without pineapple, and there's a controversy there. So can I pay with tickets? Okay, yeah, maybe. It's another possibility. So we can pay with tickets, or we can pay with any other type of things. Yeah, sometimes there are these tickets that you pay when, I don't know, tickets like eating tickets or something like that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's everything about restaurants, I think. Okay. So the next activity, yeah, pizza with pineapple, they say here. Yeah, with pineapple, that's the best thing. Yeah, we don't need anything else. Okay, in here there's a game. I don't know if you know that game. This is a very popular game. I just got some of the cards in here in the computer, but there are lots of cards and lots of versions here. These are games called Dixit. Yeah. In Dixit we have several cards with different types of drawings, yeah, or pictures. And the pictures are strange. Let's say they're not really that real, yeah. So maybe one person can see one thing, and another person may see a completely different thing, yeah. So let's try to think about these pictures that we have here. I don't know if you can see any of them. Yeah, I think some of them are quite clear. Let's try to think about one of these pictures and say, what can you see there? I don't know. I can see a moon, or I can see I don't know what's there, a teddy bear, or I can see a mountain, or I don't know. What can you see there? There are infinite possibilities. Or maybe it reminds you of something specific. For example, this specific thing reminds me of film, or it reminds me of, I don't know. What can you see in here, for example, in any of these? Any idea? So, I don't know. For example, I can see a teddy bear. But if the teddy bear is so big that maybe it is not real teddy bear, it is another thing, or it can be a dream, or they're like strange, yeah. What we can do is to put a title to each of these films, yeah. Let's put a title to them. Do you know any title for these films? I don't know, all films, sorry, these pictures. Any title, for example, I don't know. Let's see this, the enormous teddy bear, or a bad dream, or any type of thing as a title, yeah. So I don't know. Can you think about a title that may fit in here or not? No possibilities. Okay, no problem. I know that Dixit sometimes is difficult because it is just an image that appears there, and you just need to try to guess what are you talking about, or what do you want to say, or yeah. And it is a difficult thing to do. But no problem. Let's continue. Okay, there are more Dixit cards here. Let's see if some of these ones just, I don't know, opens your mind in a way. Yeah, there are 8 different cards here. So let's try to guess one title for any of them. So you just say one title, and let's see if we can guess which of these ones is the correct one. Okay, like, I don't know, what kind of activities do we have here? There are a girl, there's a guy. Let's check. Yes, any of these in here? Anyone, it's a good possibility, yeah. So if you want to say, oh, I just like this one and it reminds me about Aladdin, okay, perfect. Or this specific one reminds me about, I don't know, Cinderella. Or this other specific one reminds me of I don't know. Yeah. Okay, we don't have any answers right now, but there's no problem because I know sometimes it's difficult. So try to think about it, and after that, you just, when you remember about it, you just write it down and tell us what are you thinking about. Yeah. any idea that comes into your mind? No problem. Okay, again, let's change the topic and let's talk about other kind of speaking situations that we can find when we are traveling or whatever. In this case, is meeting new people. Okay, this is complicated because meeting new people, they'll give you an impression or another depending on the questions that you ask. So, for example, you can ask, well, you can start something like, hello, and presenting yourself because it is kind of better, like, hello, my name is Judith, how's it going? And the other person's like, oh, hi, I don't know, Paul, and I'm feeling good. That's the kind of questions that we need to ask to someone. What kind of questions do you ask to people? Do you ask, I don't know, what do you ask to other people? Do you ask about hobbies, about sports, about favorite TV shows maybe, or about books? I don't know. I would say something like, hey, I really like books. Do you enjoy books also? And then you can engage this type of conversation. You can start this conversation. Okay, someone here is saying, hello, my name is Eva. Hello, Eva. Nice to meet you. So yeah, this is a way to start a conversation. Now we just present ourselves, introduce ourselves, yeah, and we can continue with this conversation in a way. Santa Teca says hello, so hello, Santa Teca. Nice to meet you too. So yeah, as you can see, so I can ask you, what is your favorite hobby? What would you say? Okay, we have more hellos here from Jose, yeah. And we have someone who says, I enjoy books. Okay, that's good. I enjoy books too. My name is Labor. Okay, yes, Santa Teca is there. Okay, here someone saying, nice to meet you. So yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you too. And okay, hello, Collamurada. Hi, you are here too. So yeah, it is a family meeting here, but it is nice. And this is the kind of question. So, do you have any favorite hobby? Can you tell me any of your favorite hobbies? So we can, I don't know, we can talk about something. Yeah, any favorite hobbies around there? Okay, lots of people here. Okay, nice. Any favorite hobby that you want to share with the audience? Okay, people saying hi, hello, nice to meet you. So we've seen that some people here enjoy. Hi, I'm Eva. Another Eva here, so we have two Evas connected. So hello, Evas, and nice to meet you too. Do you have any favorite hobby there or not, Eva? Well, I suppose that she'll write it down in a minute. Okay. Now we are going to talk about these people here. That we have different characters, yeah. Let's try. Oh, my hobby is dancing. Okay, we have a hobby dancing here, so that's cool too. We have here now 3 different characters. So yes, 6. Sorry. So with 6 characters, it is easy to guess what can. Hi everyone, Erich is here. Okay, hello. Oh, my name is Collares Ole. Okay, thank you. Hello to you too. And here we have different people. We have Sheldon Cooper, we have Pikachu, we have Iron Man, we have Harry Potter, Mickey Mouse, and Chucky. Chucky, yes? Do you like any of these characters to start with? Do you like any of them? So, in this moment, with one word, just one word, we should guess which character we are talking about, yeah? With one word, only one word, we should guess which is the character that we are talking about. Can you tell me one word so you can guess which is the character that we are talking about? This is a difficult thing, I suppose. But try to guess, yeah? So someone who likes Harry Potter, if I say something like, I don't know, Horcrux, you will know exactly what I'm talking about just with this one word, yeah? Or I don't know, wand or magic or anything. So can you tell me one word so we can identify one of these characters? Okay, we have here Khalid, yeah, okay. So any idea of what this may mean, or which of these characters is this word related? The giants and the big heads. Okay, the giants and the big heads, I think it's related to Jarans. It sounds like something like that, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's related to one of these characters too, if you can guess. For example, if I say Disney, which is the character that I am talking about? Disney is just one word. So it is obvious which is the character that I'm talking about. It can be Sheldon Cooper or Pikachu or Harry Potter, Iron Man, Mickey Mouse or Chucky. Which one do you think it is? It is complicated, I know. I speak lots of English. I think I speak too fast sometimes. But no problem. Just try to guess which is the character that we are talking about. Okay, nice. Okay, Mickey Mouse, thank you, yeah, very good. So it is Mickey Mouse, so when we say Disney and in this list, with this list of characters, yeah, we'll just say, okay, it's Mickey Mouse for sure. Okay, good. What about if I say, if I say it is a killer, there's, okay, Santa Teca says, hello, I like food. Yeah, oh, you like food. I like food too. I think everybody likes food, but yeah, I know what you mean, Teca. I like food too. Okay, so I don't know, it likes knives, for example. What's a knife? A knife, it's what you use to cut, for example, your food, yeah? So if it has knives, it maybe we are talking about Chucky here, yeah? It is a possibility. Because I don't think there's another character just in here who likes, oh no, Mickey don't like knives. Okay, yeah, very good, it's Chucky. So we have Chucky here. It is also a character that it is fine. What about Sheldon Cooper? Can you say anything about Sheldon Cooper? Any word? Yeah, one word, at least one word to talk about Sheldon Cooper. Okay, Pikachu, yeah, no, it is not Pikachu, nor Chucky, yeah. But one word about Sheldon Cooper so we can guess that he is the one we are talking about. Any idea about that? Because we can, I don't know, what can we say about this character? Have you seen him in any type of context? I like Pokemon, I like purple, okay, yeah, I like Pokemon and purple too. Superman, okay, yeah, if we talk about Superman, maybe we are talking about Sheldon Cooper, yeah, it is related, very good, yeah, thank you, chat. Okay, so let's try to see another situation. That this is the last one, is about asking directions. I don't think you can see anything in here, but it's fine. Okay, so the last situation that you can find in real life, for example, is when you cannot really know, you don't really know where are you going to, and you are super lost around and you're like, oh my god, where should I go? So in this case, maybe you'll do, okay, Santa Teca is not understanding anything, yeah. We're talking in English, Santa Teca. This is a problem sometimes, I know. Okay, so when we speak English, that's why we are here. We are here to learn a little bit of English, yeah, a little bit of this. Okay, so when we are lost, we don't know where we are going, like we are like kind of freaking out, we can ask for directions, yes? We can just ask someone. So to call attention, we can just say, excuse me, or pardon. It's also this kind of not that for the normal environment. Pardon sounds like more formal, but yeah, you can use it. So excuse me, where are we? Or is this place? Or excuse me, I'm looking for this direction, or where is this direction? And you can just point with your finger like yeah, mimicking something, it is a possibility. Like you can just point something and put this face like where's that direction? Yeah. So oh, more people here. Hello. Excuse me. Yes, very good, Teka. Yeah. So you can say excuse me, and then you are like, hey, I'm here. You're just I don't know, saying that you are there and you can say something, or you want to say something. Yeah. Do you want to say something? No? Okay. And that's the type of situation that we may find. We can also say, oh, hi, I'm lost, I don't speak English, and I want to go here. Yeah. What is the direction? Yeah, it is another possibility. This place, okay. Yeah. What is this place? This is a possibility. What is the direction? Yeah. What is this direction, or should I take this direction? Maybe it is a better solution, but good, it is nice. Okay, in here we can see a new topic. I don't know if you can see it. Let's just put it nearer. So in this one there are some video games here, some games that are quite popular in our society. Yes. I don't know if you can see them, but you have here Minecraft, you have just in here Candy Crush, The Sims, Mario Kart, FIFA, and the Tetris. Okay, can you think about any type of game that you like? So, do you like any of these games? I'm very lost, says Santa Teca. Yeah, that's the thing. When you are very lost, you need to ask for directions. So maybe in this case, you'll need to ask for directions. So let's put it here, so you can read, so you can see the picture while looking at the comments in the chat. Yeah. Okay, in here there are different video games. Can you think about one video game? Can you talk about one video game on Tetris? Okay, very good. What do you know about Tetris? Do you know anything about Tetris? Do you have any idea of what Tetris is about? I even see a sheet. Yeah, I know that. I know. That's why I'm asking. I'm saying this is Minecraft. Then we have Candy Crush, The Sims, Tetris, FIFA, and Mario Kart. Yeah. Okay. Like the Teka likes Sims. Yeah, Sims. It is a good game. Can you tell me what kind of games do you like? So video games that are quite easy to know or to learn, yeah. So any video game that you may like or not? No, not at all. For example, I don't know, Candy Crush. So in Candy Crush there are sweets, yeah. There are lots of sweets and lots of colors, and you can put the red with the red and the purple with the purple. So let's try to think about one video game. Yeah, one video game, and try to guess which video game are we talking about. Yeah, like I don't know, like a question. Yeah, so a video game about blocks. If I'm talking about blocks, what I'm talking about? Any idea of what kind of video game I'm talking about if I talk about blocks? No. Okay, Zaki, there's someone here who says, I like Candy Crush, so very nice that you like Candy Crush. I like Candy Crush too, yeah. Or I used to like in the past. Okay, Candy Crush, okay, we have more Candy Crush fans here. Not a problem. Yeah, lots of Candy Crush fans, maybe lots of them. Yeah, so I think that there were some Minecraft fans in here too. So that's good. I know that video games are something that is nice and fun. Yeah. Okay. So let's leave the video games apart. Yeah. And I'll take this. So now we are going to try to guess the song. Yeah. So I'm going to just put some songs here, and you'll try to guess which is the song that is sounding. Yeah. That you can hear. Let's see if you can hear it, because if not, it's going to be complicated. But let's see if you can guess which is the song that I'm putting here. So it is in English, so maybe you've heard this song before in Spanish, but this in this moment it is in English. So let's see if you can. I'll just put 10 seconds, okay?
Long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter.
Okay, can you guess which is the song? Okay, Santa Tecla likes songs. There's someone that says my son is fan of Minecraft, so yeah, thank you, good. So, did you hear the song or not? So, I think it was kind of low, but I think that we can guess which was the song. Any idea? Do you need to put it again? Yeah, I can play it again, no problem. Let's put it in the middle so you can listen to the middle of the song. You don't know, okay. It is a Disney song. So, at the edge of the water. Okay, someone heard something in English, so that's cool. So, apart from listening to something in English, do you know? Okay, from Moana, very good, very good. That's cool. Okay, what about the second one? I know that you would know this one. Any idea? Any idea which is the song that we are talking about here? No? So I can play it again if you want. Let's put it in another place, in a random place, yeah? So you'll know. Okay, no others who know this song. Let's try to guess the song. It is in English, okay? Okay, someone knows the song. Yeah, this is me. Very good, nice. Okay, this one is more difficult because I don't know this song, but let's try. It is not Hamilton, Tecla. Okay, any idea of which is this song that I'm playing now? Let's put some easy ones too. But let's see if you know this exact song. Hamilton, I already read this one. I'll play it again. Let's see if we can hear. Okay, any idea about which is the song that we are playing now? No? Okay. I don't know, okay. Yeah, I don't know it either, but I'm trying. Okay, yeah, it is not Justin Bieber, but something like that. I think it's more or less at the same time when it happened. So in this case it was One Direction, yeah. I think that it is kind of trendy these days, but I don't know that song specifically. I'm very bad with songs, I think. But no problem. It is fine. Okay, let's try another, for example, Disney, yeah, because it is easier to see a Disney, to listen to a Disney film, yeah, I think. Okay, let's try this one. I know that you know this one. Okay, what about this? Yeah, One Direction. Now you know that it is One Direction. Okay, yeah. Okay, what about the one that I just played? Do you have any idea of which is the song? Play Despacito. Okay, I'll play Despacito later. Yeah. Okay. For you. Let's see if you recognize it, because if not, I'm not going to play it again. Yeah. So let's try this one. If you can guess which is the song again. Yeah. Nope. Okay, no, it is not. Okay, very good. It is The Little Mermaid, yeah, Under the Sea. Very good. It was easy. Okay, very good. Let's see if you know another one. Let's keep with the songs, Disney songs, because if it's in English, it's difficult. Yeah, I know. What about this? Okay, any idea about which is the song that we just played this 5 seconds of song? I know it is kind of difficult, but okay, yeah, music, yeah, it is music, so let's see if you can guess the song. Okay. Okay, very good. It is Tangled. That's good. You're quite good at this. Okay, let's see if you know the next one. Maybe it's difficult. Let's see. I'll put it in the middle. Can you guess which is the song that is playing now? Yeah, now you all know. Now you all know that the previous one was Tangled, so let's see if you can listen to this one and see which was... No, it is not Frozen, sorry. Let's continue. Okay, very good. It is Aladdin. Very good. Yeah, nice. Okay, that was good. What about this one? Let's play 2 more. Okay, this and another one. This one is difficult if you've not watched the last Disney movies. But I think it's quite easy. No? Any idea? Okay, Prince Ali was the previous one. This is not the one. So we have a new one that it's playing. Yeah, they already know that it was Aladdin. So exactly it was Prince Ali. So quite good. Frozen 2. Okay, very good. It was Frozen 2. Nice. And the last one that we are going to play is I don't know, I like lots of films, but let's see if you know this one, because this one it is difficult, I think, in my opinion. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, if you want to know, very good. Okay, I'm just reading that, yeah, it was Into the Unknown, that you said it like with lots of O's. And some people say here it was very difficult, not that difficult, don't worry. What about this one? Any idea? Okay, any idea about which is the film that where this song appears, or no idea? Not at all. No? Let's try. Okay, no. Okay, no more people. Okay, no one is answering. Big Hero 6. Okay, we have a clear winner today because I think there's only one person keep knowing all the ones. Yeah, but yeah, it is Big Hero 6. Yeah, Big Hero 6. Yeah, it is. You're very good. Okay, that was pretty good. Nice. Okay. No, it was okay. No, don't say, oh, just to say something. No, it was good. It was good. Okay. Let's play one last situation. Yeah, I don't know if you can see again here. Yeah. The last situation that I prepared was related with the cinema. Yeah. So when you go to the cinema and you want to watch a special film or you don't know what this film about, you can ask things like, oh, what is the film about, or what it is about, or what type of film it is. You can say, oh, it is a romance, or it is a thriller, it is a terror movie, or anything. Or you can ask about the other person opinion about the movie, like, did you like the movie? Did you enjoy it? Or did you, I don't know, did you really like it? Yeah, you are the fucking boss, they say someone here. Yeah, you are, Teka. Go, keep going. Okay, and when you are in the cinema, you can also ask for the characters or the actors that appear in the films, like, okay, who's in there, or who's in the film, and maybe you'll get more information about what type of films do you like, do you enjoy, or if you would like it or not. So there are possible questions that you can ask to that one. Okay, there's someone who says that I love movies. Yeah, I know I love movies too. And there's someone else who says I like popcorns. Yeah, popcorns are necessary if you want to go to the cinema, for sure. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to do is a game. I don't know if you can see. There are some letters here, okay? So let's try to write, yeah, type it in the phone, as many words with these letters as you can, yeah? So you just look at all the letters that are here, and we're going to try to type any kind of word that you can see with these letters. We have a C, a T, an S, an I, an N, an M, an A, R, and O, I think, or something like that. So type any type of word that you can think about when you see these letters. It can be a short word or a long word, any type of word. So let's see if we can get, I don't know, at least 2 or 3 words from these particular letters that we have here, because I don't know, we can there are lots of possibilities. You can mix them, you can put one next to the other, you can create a 2 word, double word, you can use 2, you can use 3, you can use 4, you can use all of them if you want, if you are able to, of course. So yeah, you have C, T, S, N, M, A, R, and O. So, someone says hello here, so hello. But yeah, you can, sister, okay, we have one that it says sister, okay, very good. Mood, very good. Any other word that you can think about when seeing these words here, these letters here? Okay, let's try one more and we'll leave it. One more word, any type of word. Okay, but it was very impressive. It was quite impressive that you were able to find words. Nice. There are easier ones, like with 3 letters. So even with 1 letter, if we count some type of stuff. So yeah, something like, I don't know, even cat or caught or anything like that. Yeah. Okay, nice, very good. So you found some of them. So okay, artist, very good. So was quite good. Yeah, nice. Good. Any other? Okay, in English, yeah, it needs to be in English, but it can be in any other language, but yeah, in English it is fine, but yeah. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. We played some games, we've learned some vocabulary that we can use while traveling, while asking for directions, while being in a restaurant, while going to the cinema, etc. Yeah, and we played some guessing games, and we tried to write some words here. Yeah, so I think that at least we learned some English today. I hope you had fun playing this game with me this afternoon, and I don't know, I hope to see you any other day around here. As always, have a very nice evening or afternoon, and I don't know, enjoy the rest of the afternoon the way you can. You can play some games, you can, I don't know, there are lots of possibilities. There you still have a lot of time to do whatever you want. So it was a pleasure to be here and see you. Bye bye. Okay. So wait a minute.
Así, vinc a acomiadar-me. Ponte la mascarilla. Vale, moltíssimes gràcies a tothom per haver participat, ha sigut un plaer de poder veure, perquè he estat aquí a prop i he pogut veure tota l'estona com heu participat de forma molt insistent. M'ha agradat molt poder veure com la Judit s'ho ha passat bé també, i vosaltres també. Ha sigut un plaer, ens tornem a veure la setmana vinent, em sembla, sí, la setmana vinent, i concluirem el taller d'anglès per aquest mes, però el mes següent continuarem. Depenent de les restriccions que tinguem, doncs continuarà sent online o presencial als nostres centres cívics. Moltíssimes gràcies de part de Joventut i ens tornem a veure la setmana vinent. Una abraçada.
Bye bye.
See you. See you.